File section. New employee. 6 days. Calling Miss Weber. Please report
Come in.
to Zone A, Sector 9. Replication Sentry Level 9. We have a B1 security.
Sit down.
Okay, if I talk? I get kind of nervous when I take tests.
Oh, just please don't move.
I already had an acute test this year. I don't think I had one of
Reaction
these.
time is a factor in this, so please pay attention. Now answer as quickly as you can. 1187 Hunderweiser.
That's a hotel.
What?
Where I live.
Nice place?
Yeah, sure, I guess. Is that part of the test?
No. Just warming you up, that's all.
Oh. It's not fancy or anything.
You're in a desert, walking along in the sand. All of a sudden...
Is this a test now?
Yes. You're in a desert, walking along in the sand, and all of a sudden you look
What one?
down. What?
What desert?
Doesn't make a difference what desert. It's completely hypothetical.
But how come I'd be there?
Maybe fed up. Maybe you want to be by yourself. Who knows? You look down and see a tortoise, Leon. It's crawling towards you.
A tortoise? What's that?
Know what a turtle is?
Of course.
Same thing.
Never seen a turtle. But I understand what you mean.
You reach down and you flip the tortoise over on its back, Leon.
Do you make up these questions, Mr. Holden? Or they write them down for you?
The tortoise lays on its back, its belly baking in the hot sun, beating its legs, trying to turn itself over. But it can't. Not without your help. But you're not helping.
What do you mean I'm not helping?
I mean, you're not helping. Why is that, Leon? They're just questions, Leon. And in answer to your query, they're written down for me. It's a test designed to evoke an emotional response. Shall we continue? Describe in single words only the good things that come into your mind. About your mother?
My mother?
Yeah.
Let me tell you about my mother.